Good morning, how are we today? It is the 22nd of December and we have box number 22. If you want to see what's inside, keep on watching. Hi, I am John of JWH Millinery and welcome to Christmas Countdown, or Countdown to Christmas. I probably should remember because it's my channel. It's some sort of advent calendar that I'm doing on YouTube. But anyway, we're here. We've got something inside this box. It's lightweight again, which could mean anything. So let's crack in and get this box open. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. Making sure, just take off this. Why do I keep opening these boxes upside down? I've just lost the thing that tells me what is inside. But no worries, because I already know what it is. It is a black. Now we got one of these earlier on this month in red. So we have a black one to go with. Black always well. I mean, I can tell the boyfriend bought this because it's black. He loves black. That's probably his favourite colour. In fact, it's his second favourite colour after grey. He likes black, grey and red. Yeah, I know. So yeah, we have amassed a fair collection of items so far. I will post a picture of all this now so you can see we've got a lot of things, and there's probably things in the picture that you'll be like, where's this? It's probably hidden under everything. So yes, one of these, day 22, not long to go. Oh my god, Christmas is literally around the corner. And the question of the day today is, what is your favourite colour? I don't know. I don't have a favourite colour. At the moment, I'm leaning quite heavily towards like blues and pinks, like iridescent. That's sort of like the colours that you get in like an iridescent. The icy pink, icy blue. I'm very much inspired by those at the moment. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm inspired by at the moment. I mean, but then it changes. You know, sometimes I like a good old white and navy, or ivory and navy, and then the next day, you know, iridescent. But I'm very much leaning towards the iridescent. I've kind of got like a few hats in mind that I'd love to make in that sort of like colour range. So yeah, that is my favourite colour. So yeah, 23rd is tomorrow. Oh my Jesus, 23rd is tomorrow. Like, we don't have a long left till Christmas. Let me know in the comments down below what you've been up to. Have you been celebrating Christmas parties? And how are you feeling? Are you ready? Are you not ready? Are you about to have a panic attack? Are you a man watching this and probably going out shopping tomorrow? Because if you don't, you'll probably not get anything. So yeah, thank you very much for joining me today. We've got a lot. I'm about to head to work and I will see you, no I won't. Follow me on all my social media. It is listed in the description box below. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to this channel. If you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. In the month of December, or at least until the 25th, we're going to be posting videos every day at 8 o'clock. So set your alarms, watch me, and thank you very much for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. bye.